Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we are going to learn the steps to enable DHCP guard and router guard in Hyper-V. In Hyper-V networking, the DHCP guard and router guard features help Hyper-V admins prevent virtual machine administrators from enabling unwanted network services within the guest operating system. As the name suggests, enabling DHCP guard will prevent a VM from broadcasting packets or acting as a DHCP server. With router guard enabled, it will also stop a VM from acting as a router and redirecting packets. These features are particularly useful when a VM is connected to multiple virtual networks and you only want the service to be broadcast on a specific virtual network rather than all of them. You can then enable DHCP or router guard on the networks that should not be receiving these broadcasts, ensuring that only the intended network is affected. When a client starts up, it detects that it is configured to use a dynamic IP address rather than a statically assigned one. The client will broadcast a DHCP discover packet, and any DHCP server that can receive this broadcast will respond with an offer packet. This is where a rogue DHCP server can disrupt the legitimate process. The client will receive multiple offers and will send a DHCP request to the first server, expecting it to acknowledge with an IP address. Hyper-V administrators typically know which machines are legitimate DHCP servers on their network. All other machines should not act as DHCP servers. When DHCP guard is enabled in the advanced virtual NIC settings, it will prevent that virtual NIC from sending a DHCP offer. The guest OS admin can configure DHCP as much as they want, but DHCP guard will prevent the virtual machine from acting as a DHCP server. As we know, an operating system can also be configured to function as a router. What you may not know is that a router can offer its routing services to the network similar to how a DHCP server can. This means that the administrator of a computer, including the guest OS administrator of a virtual machine, could set up a rogue router on the network and begin rerouting packets to a malicious location or even a black hole. Router guard prevents any accidental or rogue guest OS routers from offering their services on the network. Router guard prevents ICMP version 4 type 5, ICMP version 4 type 9, ICMP version 6 type 134, and ICMP v6 type 137 packets. Similar to DHCP guard, the guest OS admin can configure their virtual machine as they want, but when router guard is enabled, they cannot interfere with normal network operations. DHCP guard and router guard can be accessed from the network adapters advanced features section in a virtual machine settings. Let's see how we can enable DHCP guard and router guard in Hyper-V virtual machines. You can quickly enable or disable router guard and DHCP guard by editing the settings of a virtual machine in Hyper-V. Right-click on the virtual machine and select settings. Expand the network adapter and click on advanced features. You will see the checkboxes to enable DHCP guard and router guard. Both checkboxes will be unchecked by default. Check either or both boxes to prevent this virtual NIC from offering DHCP and or router services. Under DHCP guard, check the Enable DHCP guard. Under router guard, check the Enable router advertisement guard. To save the changes, click on Apply and then OK. We have successfully enabled DHCP guard and router guard for this VM. We can also use Windows PowerShell to enable or disable DHCP guard and router guard for a single Hyper-V VM or for all VMs at once. First, let's launch a Windows PowerShell admin prompt. Right-click the Windows Start button and select Terminal Admin to launch the PowerShell with administrative permissions. Type command get-vm network adapter win11-vm02 pipe select VM name DHCP guard and router guard. Press the enter to verify if DHCP guard and router guard are enabled for the VM named win11-vm02. The output shows that DHCP guard and router guard are not enabled for the win11-vm02 virtual machine. To configure DHCP or router guard using PowerShell, the set VM network adapter commandlet must be used. type command sat-vm network adapter win11-vm02-dhcp guard on-router guard on. This command will enable both DHCP guard and router guard on the win11-vm02 virtual machine. Press enter to enable DHCP guard and router guard. Run the same command again to verify if DHCP guard and router guard are enabled for the VM win11-vm02. This time we can confirm that both DHCP guard and router guard are enabled. To disable DHCP guard on win11-vm02, type command sat-vm network adapter win11-vm02-dhcp guard off. Press enter to run the command. Let's verify if DHCP guard is disabled for the VM win11-vm02. The output shows that DHCP guard is currently disabled for win11-vm02. You can also enable router guard and DHCP guard on all virtual machines at once. To do so, type command sat-vm network adapter *-dhcp guard on-router guard on. This command will enable router guard and DHCP guard on all virtual machines at once. Press enter to execute it. We can also run this command to disable router guard and DHCP guard on all virtual machines at once. This is how you can use Hyper-V Manager and PowerShell to enable or disable router guard and DHCP guard on Hyper-V virtual machines. That's all for this video on how to enable DHCP guard and router guard in Hyper-V. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Hyper-V and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.